Hey guys, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mate. Today I want to show you how to connect the Mercedes Android screen to the head unit and have a demo. I will tell you how to make the setting for the audio for Android screen. Okay, now let's go. Here is the Mercedes Android screen. And this one is the Mercedes ML GL class. It have a big blanket here, a metal blanket, the power cable, RCA cable with the video connection here. AMI cable is for audio transfer, GPS antenna, a small speaker for the Android GPS. This is the Wi-Fi antenna, 4G Wi-Fi antenna, and this is the external microphone. Here is the installation guide, also the setup guide, and this is the Mercedes head unit NTG4.5 here. This for E-Class, but it doesn't matter, NTG4.5 are the same. If your car is NTG 4.0, the video connection is different. This is the 4-pin for the video connection. I will show you. Here is the 4-pin, right? The video connection we call LVDS. It connects from the display to the head unit. The NTG 4.0, that is 10-pin. In that case, in the Android screen, it will offer a LVDS box converter, convert 10 pins to 4 pins. That's only difference on this. So in fact, that's very easy to connect it. The first thing is to power off the unit first. And here, disconnect the video cable on the back of the display. This is the power connector for the original display. This connector, it don't need to connect anything. Just leave it alone, because the Android screen have its own power cable. So this cable don't need to connect anything here. We also need to disconnect the power from the head unit. And this is the power cable. This cable connects to the back of the display. Okay. This cable is the RCA cable. It has video in here. It is 4-pin, right? This side connects to the back of the head unit. And you just connect this original video cable, connect to this one here, 4 pins. That way, your original radio, the OEM interface, will show on the new Android screen by this video cable. Here, now we transfer the power cable. This cable connect to this one here. You can see in here, it don't have optical cable for my demo unit. When you have optical cable, you need to move the optical cable to this. If not, it will no sound. Here, the new cable connect to this one, like this, right? And the other side, we just connect to OEM power cable. That will be fine. And here, this is the AUX cable. When your car have the AUX in the armrest box or glass box, you just connect this cable to the AUX jack in the armrest box or glass box. Because the Android screen, the sound go through AUX. Okay, now we have connected the speaker and I have power on. Okay, we touch the screen, go to the Android screen here. And I want to show you how to make the setting for the audio. Go to System here and iOS position. Here is the number 2 and number 7, right? So we can go to the original menu. Here, audio is the first one. That means in the iOS 1, we should set to the first one. You can see iOS here, radio, this USB iOS 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. So iOS position 2 should be 4. Okay? We just go to the setting. Here is the number 1 here. And this is the number 4. Okay? That's correct, right? Then we will play the music or video. For example, increase the volume in the head unit. Here you can see you have the sound, right? Here. Everything is fine, right? When you use the CarPlay, it will also have the sound for the CarPlay, because the CarPlay, the sound also go through iOS. Okay, we just play the music, for example. Here you can see we have the sound, right? Here. When you play the music in the Android screen or Apple Carplay, there's no sound. You should make sure you need to choose the iOS here. You need to choose iOS in the original menu. For example, I want to choose radio. You can see if I play a music, the music is playing, but it don't have the sound, right? So make sure to choose the iOS in the original. That way it will have the sound for the music. Here, okay? About the sound, it have another setting you should notice. Go to setting, factory here. Here is the password for our model. Vehicle here. Make sure you choose automatically. iOS speaking mode. Choose this one, automatic. And iOS auto speed, you should choose other. This one.